Hi, hello guys, 𝙬𝙧𝙚𝙧 here. We create excellent presentations. In this quick tutorial, we will together design this sales slide, just in PowerPoint as usual. Alright, so let's get started. So create a new slide, so right click new slide. That's perfect. So as you can see, I used 𝙬𝙧𝙚𝙧 font. And I think we will start with the photo. So as you can see, this photo is cropped to a really interesting shape, but how to make this kind of shapes, I have already created a tutorial about it, and this is just my previous video. So if you would like to learn how to make those kind of shapes, just watch the video. But I will show you how to make it. So we need to paste this photo right here, picture format, reset picture. Alright, so this is our default picture. So as you can see, originally it is grayscale, so go to the picture format, color, and right here saturation 0%. Alright, the next thing is to create this kind of shape, right? So let's make it. We need to go to the insert tab, shapes, rectangles right here, and draw some rectangles. And of course we can modify the width. I think that will be right. All right, so we need to create some duplicates of it, right? So Ctrl and D, and we need to change the position of it right here, I think. And now we need to create more duplicates of it, so Ctrl D, click sometimes. That's really easy. Alright, so we need to select all of those rectangles, and of course we need to union them. So right here we need to rotate it by 45 degrees, so let's make it. And of course we need to change the size right here. That's fine. So the last step is to select this kind of shape as a first, and as a second the photo. Now go to the merge shapes and intersect. Well, actually as a first you need to select the photo, and as a second the shape. Merge shapes, intersect, and that's all. As you can see here, those rectangles on original slide have more width than those one, but you can play around with it. Alright, so let's create the title. So this is a title. Well, let's make it default. Yeah, so as you can see, I used 𝙬𝙧𝙚𝗚, and basically I've added text outline. So you need to go here and select this black color, and of course I used width 1.5. That's fine. So to the sales we need to no fill, no text fill, but right here we need to take this red color. And of course in this case we need also to change the text outline to the same red. So let's make it. Yeah, well, alright, it looks quite cool. The next thing is to add this divider. That's really easy, but I really like dividers because basically they just divide title section and body text section. So yeah, they are quite useful in some situations. Of course we need to change the color of it to here, black, but a little bit lighter black color. Alright, and the next thing is to add this body text. Of course, as you can see, this is lorem ipsum, so that's really easy to make. And the last thing is to create this kind of text limited time offer. So yeah, so go to the insert, shapes, rectangles, add a rectangle. Of course we need to change the color to this red, that's fine. Limited time offer, and as you can see I used a very loose spacing because normal I thought it just will be better to use a very loose. And of course the last thing is to change the size of this button right here, I think. So let's preview the slide. Yeah, as you can see it was really quick and easy. Basically this slide is quite minimalistic. As you can see there are no a lot of things, right? But basically I think you liked the video. So guys, make sure to subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell, because then you will not miss out any of our future videos. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.